Hey everyone, welcome back to Journeys with Jay. In today's video, I'll show you how I removed my previous nail set using Modelones Remove Plus 3-in-1 formula and how I created a new nail set using builder gel and nail forms. This is a new technique for me and I wanted to give it a try. I'm really happy with how it turned out. It's super seamless and a great option if you're looking for a bit of length with your builder gel outside of just the natural nails. If you're interested in seeing how we did that, then please continue to watch. I first like to clip down any length that I have on the extensions, and then I'll go in with any old file that I have, typically something that's around 120 to 180 or 100 to 180 grit nail file, and I'll just use this to remove all of the shine from the nails. This really helps to expose the nails to the product of acetone or the remover so that it's able to fully break it down. And then I'm going in with that Remove Plus from Modelones. You want to make sure that you shake this up very well so that the acetone and essential oils mix together. This is 90% high quality acetone and 10% essential oils. So not only does it remove the nail product, but it also moisturizes your nails, conditions them, and preps them for your next nail set. It also smells really, really good. So that's definitely a bonus. I'm just putting it into my little manicure bowl here, and then I'm allowing the nails to soak for 10 minutes. This is what they look like after 10 minutes. I'm just going to wipe that off with a napkin. As you can see, it's like just dissolving that product off of the nails. I put it back in for another 5 minutes, and this is what we're looking like. There are different time frames depending on the kind of nails that you have on, and it says to do it for 15 minutes when you have gel extensions, acrylic, or dip powder. So that's what I did. I'm just going in here with a little cuticle pusher, and this is just removing that base layer of gel that I have on. And that is all that was needed in order to remove this set. So it's very, very quick. It was very easy. My nails aren't dried out. They don't feel brittle or thin or anything. So I really like this Remove Plus, and I will be using it to remove my future sets. And this is what the nails are looking like after removal. So we can go ahead and start with our new nail set. I've already applied my UV gloves, and I'm just going to go ahead and take a nail buffer just to remove the shine from the surface of the nail and ensure that everything is even. Using an alcohol prep pad to remove any dust from the nails. To prep the nails for the builder gel application, I'm first going in with my Modelones nail dehydrator. Following that up with the nail primer. For this nail set today, I will be using my Modelones builder gel, and as you guys know, this is like my favorite builder gel. It has a really good consistency, it's nice and thick. It does also come in the little mini sets, which I absolutely love because this way you can try it out, and it also comes with a nice range of colors. I will also be using a color out of this set because I did want my nails to be a color and not just clear. But yeah, this is a great way for you to try out the different colors and see what you like best. To apply the builder gel today, I will be using these dual forms from Modelones. These are from an old polygel kit that I used to have, but they can also be purchased individually. I'm just sizing out the nails currently, and I want to go with something slightly larger than usual because you want to ensure that you have enough space to fill in an apex. With this first one, it was kind of trial and error, but you guys will see I kind of get the gist of it as I go along. I'm going up to the third line on the nail, so I love that it also has the guides that you can follow just to ensure that all of the nails are the same length. I'm applying that 003 builder gel inside of this dual form first, and then after I've gotten a nice even layer, I'm just trying to float a little bit more of that product down the center of the nail so I can get some even application while applying a little bit more in the apex area so that we can fill that nail in a little bit more. When applying the form, you don't want to press down too hard because this is a builder gel in a bottle. It can seep out of the sides, so just be as light as possible while still trying to make sure that the product is all the way filled in. Now, because I didn't apply enough builder gel inside of the tip and I had to press it down to fill in a little bit more, I got this little air bubble. But that's okay because we can just go over it with that same color and that'll fill in any problem areas. It was a quick fix, so I'm really happy about that. And if I forgot to mention, I'm doing 30-second cures. So after curing the first one for 30 seconds, I did the second one as well. Now I'm going in with the clear builder gel, and I will be using this just to add a little bit more structure to the nail. You can also use this to build up the apex if you would like, which is essentially what I'm going to do. I'm not going to go too high because the nails are much shorter, but as you can see here, I'm just painting it on as I normally would with a builder gel and taking my time to make sure I get all the way to the sides and all the way down to that free edge. And then to assist with the apex, I like to flip my nail over for a few seconds, and then I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds as well. And here I'm just repeating that same process, but this time I wanted to ensure I used enough product inside of the form so that I wouldn't have any air bubbles. I think I've applied a little bit too much this second time because it does seep out of the bag. As you can see, I feel like I pressed down a bit too hard, but that's okay because cleanup is really easy. I'm just going to file any imperfections away, but I feel like the rest of the nail filled out really well. And removing the dual forms was so easy. They just popped right off. I went a little bit above where the nail was and I just twisted a little bit and it pops right off. So look at that, it's really pretty and shiny already. I think I'm going to try this again and make the nails even longer, so let me know if you guys would be interested in seeing that as well. Just like I did to the thumbnail, I'm going in with that clear builder gel. And I'm just showing you guys again that it also comes in that little mini kit. I'm applying a generous layer of that builder gel on top of all of the nails. And I will follow the same steps as I did with the thumb, applying a nice layer, flipping it over, and then curing it in the lamp. But this time I'm curing it for 60 seconds for all of the nails. To clean up the nails in the shape, I'm just using this 100/180 nail file, and I'm just going along the side walls to ensure I don't have any builder gel that maybe kind of crept outside of the sides of the nails onto the skin, and then I'm just sharpening up that free edge. Following that up with a nail buffer just to ensure that the nail surface is smooth, and for any lumps and bumps I may have, I'm just going to work those away using the nail buffer. This is what the nails are looking like after I have everything buffed and shaped exactly how I want it. I also considered making these like a almond kind of shape, but I think I'll do that in the future. I'm really enjoying the square shapes right now. I'm using another alcohol prep pad just to remove all of the dust from the nails, and as you can see, they are looking so good already. I felt like I wanted to jazz up the set just a little bit more, so I'm using the laser top coat by Modelones. This is so pretty, and it has like these really nice reflective glitters in there. I'm just using that and applying a generous coat to all of the nails. This also adds an additional layer of strength to the nails, so they were really nice and hard after I applied this. Once we've applied the top coat on all of the nails, we're going to go ahead and cure it for 60 seconds. And this is what the nails look like afterwards. These turned out exactly as I would have wanted them to. I definitely wanted to try this method more. Let me know down below what you guys want to see next, and I'll see you on the next one. Ciao.